Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we review the best products on Amazon so you don't waste your money. Today we're taking a close look at the HP Omen 45L Gaming 5090 desktop PC, and by the end of this video you'll know exactly whether it's worth your money or not. Let's get into it. What gets me pumped about building gaming desktops is thinking about all the incredible things you can do with one. It's not just a machine for playing games, although, let's be real, that's a big part of it. With the HP Omen 45L Gaming 5090 desktop PC, you're getting a powerhouse that can handle demanding creative tasks like video editing and 3D rendering, making it perfect for artists, graphic designers, and anyone who needs extreme performance. This desktop is designed for gamers and content creators alike, so whether you're working on a long-term project or just want to blast through some Fortnite matches, this PC has got you covered. The combination of the Intel Core Ultra 9 285K processor and Geforce RTX 5090 graphics gives you lightning-fast performance and stunning visuals. It's an absolute dream to work with. One of my favorite features of this desktop is the enormous amount of space it offers. With up to 128 GB of DDR5 RAM, you can have multiple apps open at the same time without any issues, making it perfect for multitaskers. And when it comes to storage, the 4TB PCIe NVMe M.2 solid-state drive ensures that your files load and transfer quickly and efficiently. I also want to talk about the cooling system on this desktop. The patented Coolong Extreme Performance technology is seriously impressive. The unique cooling chamber allows for easy toolless upgradability, making it a breeze to swap out components as needed. This means you can keep pushing the limits of your PC without worrying about overheating or throttling. But how does this desktop perform in real-world scenarios? I've been using it for a while now, and overall, I'm blown away by its speed and responsiveness. The Windows 11 Pro operating system is also incredibly intuitive, making it easy to navigate and use all the features you need. Of course, no desktop PC is perfect, and there are some minor complaints I have. The build quality could be slightly better. It's not the most premium feeling case out there, but overall, this is a top-notch machine that checks all the right boxes. So, is the HP Omen 45L Gaming 5090 desktop PC worth buying? In my opinion, if you're in the market for a serious gaming desktop or need extreme performance for creative work, this is an absolute no-brainer. It's perfect for anyone who wants to take their gaming or content creation to the next level. If this review helped, hit subscribe and the bell so you never miss our weekly Amazon reviews.